Hey, wait, hey. Candle, huh? See that?
The cake koda. Cake koda.
Happy Mother's Day!
Wow.
You are not a mother yet. You are a baby. You can't cut the cake.
Babu undo.
It's pineapple inside. Mom,
Why
this
does it
one,
look
this
like
part-
strawberry then?
That is a icing. It's pineapple inside.
Today is May 8th, May 9th. I'm very bad with all these dates.
Today
Today is May 9th and we are cutting a cake for moms. Both moms here. Senior mom,
Yeah,
junior
Pooja, you
mom.
also cut. Are you also, mom? I forgot.
Nachu.
Auntie, that పెట్టాలంట చూడు అడుగుతుంది.
Okay, I'll give you one. Oh!
మమ్మకి పెట్టి కిలో వెరీ గుడ్.
At this age you can eat anything, no problem. No diet, nothing. Okay? After you become like me, after you become like 30 plus, then you have to take care of all of this. Till then, enjoy. What about me? Can I have cake?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Bobby. Your diet, I forgot.
Your father.
I'm in a diet. At least in front of the camera. कुछ diet नहीं COVID के बाद.
खा ले.
Okay, Babu.
Happy Mother's Day to both the mothers.
Thank you.
Oh, cake is nice.
Nice,
wait,
so
wait,
it's not
come.
sweet.
She can get on the table, but she can't get down. On account of Mother's Day, can you people give my intro?
No, I forgot also. रुको ना मैं केक दे दूँ.
She forgot my intro, it
No,
seems.
I forgot. Suddenly asking, no, मैं नाइशु को केक दे दूँ. What's up, guys? कैसे हो वाला? Mom.
What's up, guys?
మర్చిపోయింది. She forgot. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Pooja, what?
అర్రే.
Hey, what's up, guys? कैसे हो वाला? I hope you guys are doing great.
Wrong.
What?
What's up, guys? कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great.
Whatever.
Oh, Nana, నేను చెప్పు.
Every day these people watch my vlogs. They don't know my intro.
Because we are not.
Since 2-3 years they're watching.
Hello, हो जाता है. Okay.
చెప్పమంటే రానే రాదు నాకైతే.
You know,
Suddenly if I ask,
Yeah,
they feel shy.
obviously.
Not shy, but it is like
it's like
camera conscious.
even if you know it,
That
you
happens
forget
to
it.
me also sometimes.
Yeah, you don't see the retakes, no?
Lot of retakes.
I know how much.
Oh, full on retakes hota. Okay, everyone forgot my intro, so I think it's better Sriman gives his own intro. So, what's up, guys? Kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. This is the next day. Last night was Mother's Day. I don't even know when is Mother's Day. Does it really matter? Do you have to know that it is Mother's Day? If you forget wishing her, does that mean that you don't like her? Come on, yaar. I got some messages. Sriman, you did not put any post regarding your mother. It's Mother's Day today. Come on, dude. You have to put a social media post. Otherwise, you don't like your mother. Nowadays, social media has become like this. If you don't post something about your wife or your girlfriend or your boyfriend, it's like you're not loving them. You can consider me a weirdo for this case. Actually, my wife already considers me a weirdo for this. I somehow don't like wishes, you know. Happy birthday, happy Mother's Day, happy Father's Day, happy Girlfriend's Day. Nowadays, everything has a day. Happy Remote Day, happy Phones Day, happy WhatsApp Day. I mean, nothing wrong in it. It is good to celebrate something like that. But I don't think on that specific day you have to do something so that people understand that you love her or love that thing or whatever. You get the point, right? You know, it really feels weird if I have to go in the morning to my mother exactly on 9th May. Only on 9th May, I go to my mom and say, Happy Mother's Day, Mom. And she'll be like, thank you, beta. It feels so weird. Anyway, if that makes you guys happy, you can do that. Nothing wrong with it. And nothing wrong with me as well. It feels so weird when someone comes and wishes me on my birthday and he doesn't talk to me the whole year. Happy birthday, Sriman. Should I say thank you? Should I feel good about it? My old friends or even the new friends, they'll wish me only on my birthday, nothing else. There are some people who did not even take the phone and call me when I was in a bad situation in COVID. They didn't even bother to ask me, Sriman, how are you? And there are some friends who every day called me, every day checked on me. How am I doing? Do I need any help? Do I need any medication? That I feel is genuine and true friendship. Not just on a birthday or an occasion, a friendship day, then happy friendship day, bro. I don't mind not having you people in my life. It doesn't matter this much also. Chalo, abhi to have something else I have to show you guys. I promised you in the last vlog. Actually, iske pehle vlog mein I told you that I'll be showing it in the next vlog, but that didn't happen. I'm talking about two things. One is this one. One is this beautiful looking leather jacket. To be honest, I've already unboxed it in the showroom itself. First I thought it was just a basic jacket, but then when I opened it, I was surprised looking at the jacket. It was so good. So I thought I'll repack it and properly showcase it. But before all this, let me quickly go take a shower. Once again I started using, where is this? Started using Mama Earth's best-selling onion range. This range has 3 products: the onion hair oil, the onion shampoo, and the conditioner. Now the onion hair oil has a much lighter consistency. It's absolutely non-sticky and non-greasy, and most importantly, it's got some very good fragrance. We all know that onion is a great miraculous kitchen ingredient because onion has this properties of controlling hair fall. It is rich in sulfur and it promotes hair growth by strengthening and nourishing the hair, and with great ingredients like onion seed oil, which increases a blood supply to your hair follicles, and one more amazing ingredient called Iridensil. This is the newest breakthrough ingredient against hair fall and also considered to be the best alternative to hair transplantation. So it is enriched with almond oil, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and also contains vitamin E. Pretty easy to apply this oil on your scalp using this unique comb applicator. Give it a good massage, leave it for some time, and then I wash it off with the Mama Earth's onion shampoo, which is now 8 times more detangling. Your hair is much smoother, shinier and silkier. It's got 22% more foam, still with no sulfates. And then as a last step, I use the conditioner and make my hair detangled, healthy and shiny. They have planted 1 lakh trees as of date, and it's still counting as we talk. And they have recycled 1135 metric tons of plastic. They have distributed 50,000 sanitizers and 20,000 cloth masks to all the COVID heroes. And now Mama Earth has also officially launched their iOS and Android app. You get early access to sales and hence extra discounts on this app. Now all Mama Earth products are chemical free. They're all made of natural ingredients. You can use my coupon code Shriman2021, get flat 20% off at Mama Earth. All the products are available on Amazon, Flipkart and Mama Earth. Chalo, now let me quickly take a shower and let's unpack this. Show some swag. 20 minutes lo inta vidvamsama. Look at all of this. I know whose work is this. Amara putti Naisha Pakka came here, ruined everything. Oh shit, now I have to sit and clean all this, dude. Pura phad diya. I thought I'll give this after she's 3 years old. Somewhere it is written. Not for children under 3 years. So I thought I'll give her after 3 years. From the day I showed this to her in the previous vlog, from that time onwards, she wanted this. I kept this here and went, and then I think she came here with Pooja, and this is the situation. Take me to the ocean anta. ఈడ నాకే దిక్కు లేదు బయట పోనీకి. పెద్ద బండి కొని కూర్చున్నా. మంత్లీ ఈఎంఐ తప్పలేదు. నేను ఓషన్ తీసుకోవాలన్నా, తీసుకుపోయి ఓషన్ ముంచుతాను. When Aisha started growing old, which means we'll have more kharcha, not just hamara bikes and all that, but she needs toys and then schools and then a lot of other things. And especially she's a girl, that means she needs all fancy products. That dress, this dress, that footwear, this footwear, lipstick, eyelash, more. So let's put everything aside for now. Let's unbox a Shriman Kotaru's BMW gift. Expensive gift. By the way, a lot of you people, first time when I showed this in the video, Instagram I clarified it, but when I first took this from BMW people, you people saw this address and you people thought it's my address. No. Shriman is not such a daddu. The moment I saw this label, I asked, hey, there is my address. Sir, don't worry, this is not your address, this is our address, BMW showroom ka. And some people also commented, Shriman, we'll take the BMW address, go to the BMW showroom and take your address. That's not gonna work. A lot of people tried to get my address from the Triumph showroom, but they did not, because they maintain utmost next level privacy. Have to be careful. I was trying to do this unboxing in the showroom, and then I almost went so deep that it could cut the leather jacket. Hand is always better. And no surprise here, I already know how it looks. Okay, here you go. Fancy packing. That's such a smooth, soft, next level leather, dude. I can feel the premium BMW leather feel in it. Hello, you want me to wear this and show you? I know that, but I don't think I look that great with this black t-shirt, and that this is a trippy workout t-shirt and a shorts pe hai, so I don't think this will complete the look. It will ruin its look. But the other day when I tried this jacket at the showroom, I have some nice 120 fps shots of this jacket, wearing the jacket and all that. So I think I'll play that clip from here, okay? 3, 2, 1. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. tell me, isn't this jacket very good? It looks beautiful, right? Now, if you're going for a nice date or a nice party, in this situation, don't do that. And there is no parties. Don't consider going to any parties for the next couple of months or years. I don't know till when. But just a quick fashion tip in case you're going like that outside and you wanted to show some swag and you're looking like very boring with a very basic t-shirt and just jeans. Just pop on a jacket and you look like swag, next level swag, right? A jacket, not any other jacket, a leather jacket makes you look nice and rugged and manly. But only thing is it's very hot to wear a leather jacket. Now second thing to do is, let's try to fit this BMW cover on the new GS Adventure. You know what I like about this cover, especially I don't know how much we use it. You can literally unzip this and the cover is not inside another cover like this, but in fact this is attached to the main cover. You can literally put it back in its own bag which is attached to it. Oh yes, as you can see we have a chair and all that. I put a chair here so that I can sit and enjoy the view of the bike. Mornings I'm taking my coffee and sitting on this chair and watching my bike. That's all I can do right now. What to do? I have a beautiful GS. I just finished only 72 kilometers on the bike. Seriously, once again it's dark. Time is 3:30 exactly. I can see the clouds outside and I can tell the time these days in Hyderabad. Look at it. Oh, exactly. Time is 3:53. 4 o'clock is getting dark like this and it's smashing rain. And this, where was I? Just done 72 kilometers on the GS Adventure. What to do? Yeah, can't go out. If this was a normal situation, I would be in Delhi by now. Hyderabad to Delhi, take the bike and run. Just waiting for the lockdowns to open. Hopefully Corona goes away and I can hear the flight. There is a flight going somewhere. Anyways, the cover you see here, this is a Tiger ka cover. Now I'll remove this from here and put it on the Tiger. Straight twin ke upar ek old car cover hai. I'll show you in a bit. For now, let's cover it with the new cover. By the way, this cover fits the Tiger perfectly. Like from the front tire, literally niche se rear tire full niche tak. Full on it hugs the bike like properly all around. But the BMW GS is such a huge bike. I can cover only half of it. Either I can cover this part or I can cover the seat area. This is a proper official Dunapotu. Dunapotu means buffalo. So this is how it covers. I think this is more than enough. Covers almost like half of the wheel is not covered, but I think this is okay. As long as the body is covered properly without any dust, and main thing, the seat should be covered properly. That's all what I need. And yes, there is this nice drawstring. I'm not like very impressed with this cover. It is okay. I'll give it 6 out of 10. It's getting the job done. And main thing, I think I can increase it to 7 out of 10 because it is a proper 100% waterproof cover. We have to test that out. We can test it out right now because it's gonna rain in a couple of minutes. Look at that dark clouds there. I don't know what is the purpose of this transparent material here. I know you can see the number plate and all that, but I don't know how does it really make sense. Why will I have to see my number plate after covering it? And oh yes, this is the Street Twins cover. This is actually a Santro ka cover. I don't know how many of you guys remember. We used to have a Hyundai Santro long ago. Actually, I think 4 years back we used to have a Santro. We sold it and then we got the Verna. Verna is right here, cute little Verna. But anyways, this is Santro's cover which we are using to cover the Street Twin. Street Twin is literally a tiny bike. It doesn't need such a huge cover, but chalo, it's getting the job done, so I kept it. This is a proper TPH cover, very durable, almost 4 years old, very thick quality, but super expensive. Oh, by the way, we are under the proper IKEA shade. Last vlog I installed this and showed it to you. It is covering the car properly end to end. But yeah, this part is not getting covered, which is kind of okay. Better than not having anything at all. Otherwise, Verna is to burn in the hot sun. It is like this right now. It covers the car exactly. For now it is getting the job done, but I'm not completely satisfied with this. I'm planning to completely put a permanent solution here. First, actually I thought I can just remove this whenever I want and I can see the sky, I can get that nice airy feel, but then it's not gonna work like this. This one I'll have to transfer it, maybe that side, something I'll do with this, but we'll get a permanent solution here so that all the bikes and cars will go under it. Seltos is gonna stay there, I think. Let's see. Or maybe all the bikes will go there and both the cars will come under the shade. And before going inside, let me quickly show you the Tiger. Poor baby pig, lot of dust on it. We did not have any cover on it. Now we got a new cover, so that old cover will come back to you, don't worry. Okay, I'm planning to dust the Tiger a little bit and later I'll be giving it for proper deep cleaning. For now, upar thoda dust karke I'll just cover it with the old cover. Actually, you know what, I'll cover it later because I need to start it once. I'll do it in the evening. Abhi bahut zyada garmi hai idhar. Though it is like cloudy and all, it is still very hot. It is humid. Oh, but yes, this looks very new and nice.